Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 4 English chapter 10 Mangar Dham. This is the image of Mangar Dham. Mangar is situated in Banswara district of Rajasthan. It also shares its border with Gujarat. Here more than 2000 tribals sacrifice their lives under the leadership of great saint Govind Guru. This sacrifice was similar to sacrifice of famous Jallianwala Bagh, or we can say it was greater than that. Mangar Dham is such a monument that reflects patriotism and devotion both. More than 100 years ago, on the day of Purnima in 1913 November, more than 2000 followers were gathered and they were killed by British Army. Let us more read about Mangar Dham. On November 17, 1913, Banswara district of South Rajasthan witnessed a little known mass killing of around thousands of tribals by the British, similar to the Jallianwala Bagh mass killing, in which 329 people were killed in firing. Witnessed means watched. Mass killing means killing of people on a large scale. And firing means continuous shooting from guns or cannons. So students, on November 17, 1913, Banswara watched a mass killing, means a killing of large number of people, and how they were fired by British Army. Thousands of tribals were gathered at Mangar Dham and they were killed by British Army by cannons and guns. That was similar to Jallianwala Bagh, where 329 people were killed. British forces, supported by the forces of the princely states, opened fire on tribals who had gathered on the Mangar hillock situated in the Aravalli mountains on the Rajasthan-Gujarat border. Princely means relating to a prince. Princely states means that states that were owned by prince. Gathered means to collect from different places. So, British forces were supported by the princely states, and what did they do? They opened fire on tribals who were collected on Mangar hillock. Hillock means choti pahadi. Where it was situated? It was situated in Aravalli mountains on Rajasthan and Gujarat border. The tribals were led by Govind Guru, who inspired them to get rid of the slavery of the British rule. Inspired means to guide by someone, and get rid of means to be free from. And slavery means activity of legally owing other people who are forced to work for you, or it is like gulami. So, the tribals were led by whom? Govind Guru. And he motivated them to get free from slavery of British rules. Govind Guru, influenced by social reformers like Dayanand Saraswati, started the Bhagat movement among the tribals, asking them to eat vegetarian food and avoid the use of tobacco and alcohol. Govind Guru was influenced or inspired by social reformer like Dayanand Saraswati, and he started a movement called Bhagat movement among the tribals and asked them to eat vegetarian food and to avoid from tobacco and alcohol because they are bad things. The movement slowly took a political color and turned into a movement against the cruel policies of the British. Movement, which movement? Bhagat movement by Govind Guru. That movement slowly took a political color. Against whom? Against Britishers and their cruel policies. We got independence in 1947, and before that Britishers were there and they were very cruel to us. So, tribals were against the British policies. The tribals began opposing taxes imposed by the British and forced labor imposed by the princely states of Baswada, Santrampur, Dungarpur and Kushalgarh. Baswada, Santrampur, Dungarpur and Kushalgarh. Taxes imposed. Imposed taxes means levied taxes. मीन्स उन पे टैक्सेस इम्पोज किए गए. ट्राइबल्स ने क्या किया, अपोज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. जो टैक्सेस ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट उन पे लगा रही थी उसके अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया, और जो फोर्स लेबर उनसे ज़बरदस्ती काम करवाया जा रहा था किन स्टेट्स के द्वारा, संतरामपुर, बांसवाड़ा, डूंगरपुर एंड कुशलगढ़, उसके अगेंस्ट में ट्राइबल्स खड़े हो गए. Worried by the tribal revolt, the Britishers and princely states decided to crush it. Revolt. Revolt means to protest in a group, and crush. Crush means to break something into small pieces. Now Britishers were worried by their protest, tribals protest, and they think to crush it to end their movement. From October 1913, Govind Guru asked his followers to gather at Mangarh Hill, from where they would conduct their activities. Conduct means behavior. In October 1913, Govind Guru asked his followers to gather at Mangarh Hill, from where they can conduct their movement. The British asked them to vacate Mangarh Hill by November, but they refused. Britishers asked them to vacate that hill by the November, but Govind Guru and their followers refused it. In November, the tribals were gathering for a meeting when the British Army under Major Asbelle and Captain Easterley. Major Asbelle and Captain Easterley opened fire from cannons and guns on the crowd. Cannons. Cannon means a very large gun. In November in 1913, the tribals were gathered. Now tribals were gathered for meeting at Mangarh Hill, and then what happened? Then Major Asbelle and Captain Easterley started firing on them by cannons and guns. Though there are no official estimates, locals says about 2,500 people were killed in cold blood. Estimates. Estimates means general idea about cost, value, size, etc. And in cold blood means mercilessly. So, there are no official evidence, but local people says that 2,500 tribals were killed in that mass killing. Govind Guru was arrested and exiled from the area. Exiled. Exiled means sent out of one's homeland. Now, after that mass killing, Govind Guru was arrested and he was sent away from that area. He was imprisoned in Hyderabad jail and released in 1919 on grounds of good behavior. Then he was sent to Hyderabad for imprisonment and he was released from there in 1990 because of his good behavior. But as he was exiled from his homeland, he settled in Limdi in Gujarat, where he passed away in 1931. Passed away. Passed away means died. In 1931 in Gujarat, Govind Guru died. The site of the mass killing is today known as Mangarh Dham. This place is known as Mangarh Dham. How great Govind Guru was. Now, students, what do you learn from this lesson? There was sacrifice of more than 2000 tribals for their country. And this was the place, Mangarh Dham. How patriotic they were, how devotee they were. We should learn patriotism from them. So students, that was your chapter, Mangarh Dham. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.